We're still in Oshkosh. It's also the third day of the EAA AirVenture show. It's raining outside. We just spent about 3 hours at the coffee shop getting the videos uploaded and responding to comments. Thank you everyone for watching and commenting. And then maybe we'll make it over to the Seaplane base. That's where the Martin Mars is, and maybe we can watch it take off for its air show performance, if that's still going on today. Poison ivy on the trail. Be careful.
I will.
Look at those tent campers.
Imagine what the mosquitoes in here are like.
Oh God. Joe's in a hurry.
Well, when there are a bunch of people gathered, you go to see what's going on. You don't stop and smell all the roses.
I like smelling the roses. Break the bank, you get a 9 pounds to make everybody think like the bank owner. There are people standing in the water, and Joe is seriously considering it.
Anything for the shot.
Here it comes.
See the movie Always? The movie Always? Yeah, it's a funny clip at the very beginning. It's an older movie, but it's about fighter drop, water drop pilots. And the beginning of the movie, there's two guys out in the boat fishing, and the plane comes down to scoop the water.
Yes, it is.
The two guys in the fishing boat jump overboard.
They shot him down. Watching the Martin Mars drop water was awesome. Flew right over our heads, dropped, and then continued out over the lake. The funny thing was, there have been people waiting here since 4:30. It is now 7. So it was delayed and finally just came over for about 10 seconds to drop water, and that's what everyone was waiting for. So impressive. There's Kate's favorite plane.
It still works.
No. Oh, we got to get came back.
Don't let the mosquitoes get you.
If I had known we were going to be in a nature trail with poison ivy and mosquitoes, I wouldn't have come.
Or you would have worn something different.